Outstanding design defines the 2017 Chevrolet Express 2500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.